Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm going to be reading you a story off of Get Epic today. I am actually going to be asking you a question, but I'm going to be stopping this book halfway through and then ask my question, and I will finish reading it next week. All right, so my story's title today is Jojo and the Food Fight. This story is written by Didier Levy and illustrated by Nathalie Detier. And then it's translated by Lisa Rosinski. So I believe that these two people, the author and the illustrator, they wrote this book in another language, and then Lisa Rosinski decided to translate it to English for us. All right, on this first page, the first thing I wanted to just mention is this is a speech bubble, so you can see that somebody is saying it, and then it actually starts with 3 periods here. Now those 3 periods show that it pauses first, and then they're gonna yell. So it'd be like this. Food fight! All right, let's begin. For many days and many nights, there was a food fight frenzy in the jungle. All the animals were angry with each other. Insults and rotten fruit flew in every direction. Suddenly, a little elephant with a pink parasol walked right into the middle of the battlefield. Now, I just read a word, so I'm going to pause for a minute and think, what does that word mean? I'm thinking about the word parasol. So since we're on Get Epic, I can click on this and it's going to tell me parasol is a light umbrella for protection against the sun. So then I can see in my picture that parasol is right there. Awesome. Hello, I seem to have lost my memory, he said, looking all around. Has anyone seen it? I'm sure I left it here somewhere. The animals turned and stared at him. For just a moment, they stopped fighting and throwing fruit. Jojo, cried the lion, move out of the way. You're going to get hit. The little elephant lifted his head. Is that me? Jojo? That's my name. Do we know each other? Come on, Jojo, said the lion. You know perfectly well that we live next door to each other. Oh, really? Said the elephant. I don't remember you. I've lost my memory. Jojo poked his pink parasol at a banana that had landed on the ground. And what on earth is this silly-looking thing? The monkey's eyes snapped open wide. You don't remember what a banana is? No, you'll have to remind me. Jojo shook his head sadly. Banana? That's what you call it? The lion and the monkey waved white flags and shouted, Time out! 5-minute ceasefire! We have to help Jojo! They walked up to Jojo. Are you going to help me find my memory? Asked the little elephant. The monkey took the banana, peeled it, and held it out to Jojo. Taste it! Oh, said Jojo, you're supposed to eat this funny thing? Then the crocodile came over and planted Jojo's pink parasol in the ground to make a table. Jojo sat down at the parasol table and took a bite of the banana. He said with a big smile. Delicious! May I have another? The lion roared. Who has another banana for Jojo? Within minutes, all the animals came out of their hiding places, waving ripe yellow bananas. Oh, how nice, cried Jojo. Is it snack time? I love snack time. The animals sat down around the parasol table, glaring at each other suspiciously. And this is where I'm going to stop our story today. So I will be reading the rest of this story on Monday. So right here, I want to pause and think. What do you think will happen next? What is your prediction for this story? Do you think our little elephant, Jojo, is going to remember? Do you think he'll find his memory? Do you think that the animals will ever get along? Those are the questions I'm thinking of. So think about your questions for the rest of the story. Think about what you will think is going to happen. I'm super excited to hear your predictions. All right, bye.